So good morning, welcome here. We needed to do some things to get the kids ready for school. So hair, some ironing, and also wash their school bags. Also, I needed to run out and get a few things that we ran out of. So I need to go out to the shops. But first, I'm starting off with a cup of coffee and some breakfast and get us all fueled up before we do anything.
That was last night.
Yeah, it happened. Expected it happened.
What sort of fighting business? What did you do with Dara's speaker?
It was yesterday.
Yeah, but Dara's trying to fix it. What did you do yesterday?
Yeah. Sun doesn't know.
It's not painful for you, it won't be hard. Yes.
I'm a sunstone. What's a moonstone? What about this?
What about me? I want that one.
Yeah, you guys like food, cheese.
I'm a
This is my one. This one is my one. That is my food. I can't eat. One food. Guys. This one for Dara. Dara one.
Hey, you must have it. Nowadays, these teenagers always want to wear crop tops and they want to show other things that the Lord gave them. Like my day.
Is that so? Let's tell everybody back in your days what had happened. What had happened was this little man didn't know I was recording and I captured.
I can see out Smash. You can see me home. I'm the boss of the school. Ha ha ha.
Kita mau kadang kasi, hey, hey you, the sons you be, is you my sons?
I'm gonna want some.
What are you doing? Okay, can you guys move quickly, please? It is Saturday, so we just went out to get a few things, nothing major, a few things that we ran out of. I need to make something to eat, and then I think that's it for the day. But I do want to later just do some laundry. So tonight, later today, I just want to do maybe 2 loads of laundry. I think I have 2 loads, if not 3, and then just hang it. And for some weird reason, I thought if I do it that way, it's going to smell in the morning. It doesn't, right? Because it's not like I hang it very early. It gets dry quickly. I pick it, I fold it, I pick it away, and it's done. Doesn't feel. If you've been with me for a while, you know that sometime back, my washing machine, my older one that I had, it only washed, and I had to rinse self in our bath, and it was just, yeah, I was just basically going through it and asking God to just bless me with a new washing machine, because my hands, and let's not even mention my back, of all of the, like, the bending over to the bath and whatnot. So now I'm so grateful that I have just now I am able to just throw it in and it does its thing, and I hang, and that's it, you know. So yeah, we just came back and I'm back. Hello for the vlog. He's tired. He's tired. I don't know if he's angry or if he's tired. So yeah, I have to figure out what I'm gonna make to eat. I didn't actually buy something to eat. It was just a quick run in and out. I actually needed some sugar, mostly sugar and milk, and so we just went and got a few other things. So anyway, guys, let me just chill a bit, and then I think, I don't know, we'll see. Just clean your ears, and then you can put it in the basket. So this is a few things I went to buy. Not much, just like a few things that we needed. I'm gonna pack it away, and then I'm gonna put in a load of laundry, get that started. So I have 1, 2, 3 loads. Totally forgot about this basket. In the week I washed this, and then I wasn't at home, so it started raining, and then my husband didn't take it off, and so I have to re-wash this whole basket. So it's better I start now while it's still light and see how far I can get with this whole situation. This machine needs cleaning again. This is just me when I do my laundry when it's dark. This is the mess that I make. My laundry room, the light is kind of I don't know,